Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube here on the Sunshine Coast of Queensland. I have a 50 by 55 canvas and I'm going crazy. I've got all these greens and I'm not a green lover, but I thought I would just try and work with greens for a few pieces in different combinations and different techniques. So I want to incorporate one or two of these tools, which are catalyst wedge. These were actually from Mart, the different tools for doing effects in your paint, and that was a pastry cutter thing, and that was just something that came in some paint. So I don't know what I'm going to use yet. Maybe I'll try one, two or none. So we'll see. I'm going to do the background on this with a real sort of a pale avocado green. Avocado, as my friend Jilly in the UK calls avocados. So it's going to have an avocado background. See, so not something I would normally do, but I'm going to give it a go. So I'll just use my sponge brush and I'll brush this out. I'm going to, this is the sap green, like a real dark green, so I'm going to sort of put this in here. This was the sap green again, but with some white in it. So it just took it down a tone or two. We have some, this was the sap green again, and it was mixed with metallic silver, so it makes it this lovely metallic. So that should put a lot of shine in the finished product when you add the metallics to it. So like I told you, it's going to be crazy green, so I've got a few different other shades of green here, but I'm not sure if I should call that quits, that's enough with the greens. And I've got some I think it's called bleached titanium, so it's definitely like an off-white creamy colour. So I'll put some of that in there. I really need a colour that's going to make that pop. I have got purple, I have got, I think I might add, this was yellow ochre. I'm not sure how this will go, but I think I might blow that around, see how we go. I was going to add some gold. So this is champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. So I'm going to add that, hoping that it kind of borderlines whatever my blowout is. Well, that's the plan. That's the plan, man. Half of it I'll just, oh, why is that not working? Oh my goodness, what's going on here? No power. Okay, patience, there you go. All done. All should be all go now. I'm saying the camera hasn't stopped. That's something I've been caught out with, but I don't know whether to add a dark colour in there, like a black or a navy. Anyway, let's go. Wow, I think it's really nice and fresh. Fresh, definitely fresh. Righty-o, should I try? I need to take, I'm going to try this little one with the teeth so that it's more delicate because it's only the little one. That looks beautiful. When I bring you closer, you'll see. I think I needed to pick up the dark green in it to come out on the background. Beautiful. Let's try picking up a bit of this yellow ochre. Fantasy and whimsical. For some reason the paint is not adhering to the very edge of my canvas on this. I'm not sure. The same brand of canvases I normally use, it same mixture of paint, so that looks beautiful. Not sure if it needs a dark pop of something. Maybe I'll just try. I hope that I don't spoil it. Just let me try the dark navy in here and just blow it. Let's see, blow it both ways slowly. Oh my God, crazy effects in there. I have to say it needed something in there. So I don't know if I've spoilt it or what. Let's just try softening it up with getting a bit of paint back off it with this. Doesn't really need much. I really love all of this. I wonder if I like that. I'm really happy with that. It looks fresh as a daisy. Fresh looking. Wow. Beautiful. Lovely. I'm going to bring you down and have a little look. It probably is better. Obviously, this composition would be that way hung would be so much nicer, but that, oh dear, oh, I'm not falling over everything. I think that's a really nice, fresh. I'll bring you down. Wow, that is definitely a really different colour palette for me. See those swirls made with that tool and the balloon? I sort of then bring in that top up. I'm going to hope that the paint looks a little bit thick, but it usually absorbs into the canvas quite nicely, so I'm not worried about it. But the effects with the colours and the little pop of cells, it's very fresh. Definitely fresh. Look at this. That's gorgeous. Just that little bit of blue I'm really quite happy with that. Something different, colour palette that I haven't done for a long time. I don't think I've done this colour palette before, but there you go. It was in my head and needed to do it. So I hope you like it. What do you guys think? You may not like me, not like greens, but lots of people certainly do. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me, and I will be back tomorrow. Please take care.